Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to link a debit card or credit card to PayPal account. What you need to do, first just go to PayPal and log in your account. After that, click Wallet. And then just click here, Link a Card. And here you need to fill out the information, credit card number, select your card type, if you have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discovery, Union Pay, and then expiration date, and here the security code, and here just confirm your billing address. After that, just click here, link card. This is what you need to do if you want to link a debit card or credit card to PayPal account. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.